Ito na ata ang budget-friendly and beginner-friendly full face palette na meron ako. On the left side, more on warm tone, parang pang everyday glam or kahit pang night out. Tapos sa kabila, fresh, blooming cold tone ng atake. Kung mahilig ka sa soft, natural look, to ang bet mo. So, this is the palette. May 15 shades na matte and shimmer. Tapos may 1 highlighter, 2 blushes, at isang contour or bronzer. Buildable pigmentation, not overly intense in one swipe. Pero ang dali i-layer kaya beginner friendly. Soft and blendable siya, though may ilang shades na sheer at first, pero kaya namang i-build up. For the warm side, I use deeper shades sa outer corner for dimension, tapos shimmer sa gitna para may soft glam effect. Madali siyang i-blend, hindi patchy, pero may konting fallout. So, better to do eye first bago base. Dito naman, mas fresh lang. Light pink sa crease, tapos shimmer sa lids para blooming. Pero, hindi lang to pang eyes. Pwede rin sa cheeks. May 2 blush shades na peachy and pink at isang bronzer na sakto lang ang undertone. The highlighter, subtle glow lang siya, hindi cranky, kaya perfect for everyday. And lastly, I love pairing this with my go-to Lash Spike mascara para buhay na buhay ang mata. For the price, super sulit na niya, lalo na kung beginner ka at mahilig sa multi-use makeup. Pero kung may isang downside, wala siyang built-in mirror. So kung on the go ka, better to bring separate mirror. Ikaw, what are your thoughts with this full face palette from Careline? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Looking for a seasoned e-commerce marketing specialist, TikTok shop manager, or social media manager to take your brand to the next level? I've got over 6 years of experience working with 5 to 8-figure brand, helping me grow through influencer marketing, TikTok shop management, and viral content creations that convert into real sales. By the way, I also have my own shop, eKorea Shop, where you can find a variety of skincare, cosmetics, and more. You can check out on TikTok Shop, Shopee, Facebook, Instagram, and Lazada. We're also planning to expand in Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy soon. A little about me. I'm a mining engineer turned an e-commerce marketing specialist, a business owner. I've worked with global brands like Lenovo, helping them expand their reach in the USA, UK, and Southeast Asia. Here's a quick look at what I can do best. First is the influencer outreach and partnership. So, I collaborated with influencers, included verified accounts with 1 million plus followers to generate 10K GMV per campaign. Wow. And then I also do TikTok shop management, which is to grow shops to $30K a month in just a week sales and achieve consistent 5 to 8 figures monthly revenues. Wow. I also do social media growth. This is to create a viral content with videos hitting 9 million views and generating over 5K new leads. Wow. I also handle live events hosting, which is run by live selling events that generated over 100 plus orders daily. Wow. And I also do content creation and UGC, which is to do high quality videos, SEO optimized content, and over 1 million video views across platform. Wow. I'm also skilled in Shopify and Amazon integrations, ensuring smooth operations across multiple platforms to help you scale faster. Interested in working with us? Check out the full list of services in the link below. You can also connect me with my Upwork, LinkedIn, and official TikTok page. I love to hear from you and discuss how can we help you solve your challenges and grow your business. Let's get to work and make these big things happen together.